Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This would be a 61,500 rupees PC build for i5-8400. I have made couple of builds for Intel i5 earlier, however at that point of time B360 motherboard was not out. So today we're gonna do a 8th generation build using B360 motherboards. Let's take you through the component and the pricing before we start the assemble process. We have the cabinet here. This is Cooler Master Box Lite 5. This is for 3,899 rupees only. This is Intel i5-8400 and this is available for 13,400 rupees only. For the motherboard we have got MSI B360M mortar and this is available for 9,990 rupees only. However, you can also go ahead and purchase this option, which is MSI B360M Pro VDH. This is available for 8,000 rupees and it is almost same to this motherboard. This motherboard has got dual M.2 slot and Intel Gigabit Ethernet and few extra features. I'll share both the product link in the description box below. You can purchase any one of them as per your need. This is for 8,000 rupees and this is for 9,990 rupees. For the RAM we have got G-Skill Ripjaws V. This is 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz for 6,999 rupees only. If you want to save some bucks, you can probably buy HyperX or Corsair Vengeance RAM for 6,800 rupees only. Spending 200 rupees more for this RAM does make sense. So if in case you want G-Skill, it's only a 200 rupees difference. For graphic card we have got MSI GTX 1060 3GB. This is dual fan and available for 18,990 rupees only. For the power supply we have got Cooler Master MWE550. This is 550 watt power supply, comes with 5-year warranty. The price is 3,250 rupees only. On the other hand, Corsair has the VS550 that's available for 3,150. If you want to save 100 bucks, you can choose Corsair VS550. And for this build, we're gonna go ahead with this Cooler Master. Comes with 5-year warranty, 550 watt. For the SSD, we're gonna use WD Green 240GB SSD, and this is available for 4,999 rupees only. Right now we are not adding any hard drive. If in case you want one, then you can probably buy WD 1TB or maybe Seagate Barracuda 1TB, which is available for 3,000 and 3,100 rupees. Let's just go ahead and start the assemble process. Let's build it. The CPU fan heatsink comes with pre-applied thermal paste, so you really don't have to add additional thermal paste. Alright, that was a quick assemble for this PC, and OS has been installed, some game has been installed. That's about the video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box so I can answer them. And if you want to purchase any of this component, the link would be in the description box below. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll share the Instagram link in the description box. That's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.